这台空压机放在我这里有1个多月的时间了，我对这个空压机是无从下手啊。那么这个老板昨天过来通知我了，他说过2天要过来提货。好了，我们一起来看一下这台空压机是什么问题啊？这台空压机通电之后呢，电机是在转的，但是缸头这边不能打气，就是不能充气，也不知道是什么情况里面。这个我们必须把机子拆开看一下。那么话说回来呢，我感觉这位老板确实是有点讲究啊，空压机都已经用成这样子了，也从来不清理一下。那对于我这种强迫症的人来说呢，这种维修这种空压机啊，就是比较头疼的事情，因为我看见这些油污的话，就特别想把它清理干净啊。现在我把外壳拆掉了啊，然后通电试了一下，电机可以转，但是我用手堵住这边的话，活塞就不能动了。那么这边缸头的话肯定是有问题啊，我们现在要把这个缸头给它拆开看一下，看一下活塞连杆这边到底是出了什么问题。
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. No.
通过2天的努力啊，这台空压机终于是修好了啊！现在我们来开机试一下，看一下这个效果怎么样。OK， 这个效果还是不错的啊。那么这期视频呢就先分享到这里了，我们下期再见。